If you could only own one lens, what would it be? In this video, we're going to talk all about my favorite lens and the lens I think every photographer should have in their camera bag. Let's jump right into it. One of my all-time favorite lenses that I think every photographer needs is the Nifty 50. They are lightweight, inexpensive, and make all-around great photos. Not to mention the super shallow depth of field you can get out of these lenses and the great low light performance. If you're looking for a lens that can do it all, it's the 50mm prime. This fast 50mm prime lens is nicknamed the Nifty 50 by many photographers, and it's pretty much the perfect lens. So in this video, we're going to talk all about how awesome this lens is and why you should have one in your camera bag. For starters, these lenses are small and lightweight. If I throw one on the front of my camera body here, you can see that super small profile. They don't take up much space at all. Again, they're not adding any extra space to the front of your camera. On my Nikon Z6, for example, I can just about fit the 50mm in my pocket with my camera body. And these are just, again, super small. They're inconspicuous. They don't stand out like a 70-200, for example, and that's one of the reasons I love the 50mm. These 50mm lenses are super popular, and one of the reasons is because they're cheap. They are very inexpensive, and it's a great starter lens to get going with photography. You can easily find them for maybe $50 to $100 used, or even if you buy them new, maybe $200 or $300 for the very high quality, very fast 1.2, 1.4 versions of the Nifty 50. Now, Nifty 50s are fast, and that's the third reason why I like these 50mm primes. They come with fast apertures like 1.2, 1.4, 1.8, and 2.0. That means you can really open up your aperture, get that shallow depth of field, and great low light performance without having to crank up your ISO and get grainy images. So Nifty 50s are fast. That leads us right into my fourth point. These are awesome portrait lenses. You can shoot very, very dreamy, soft bokeh portraits at 1.4, 1.8, even f2, and you can really blur out those backgrounds and get that super razor sharp depth of field for very, very cool looking portraits. Now, the fifth reason I love the Nifty 50 is because that fixed focal length, 50mm, is great for playing with composition. Here's a challenge for you guys. Go put your 50mm on your camera, go out for a photo walk, go do a photo shoot, only use your 50mm. Don't put on your 24-70 and shoot at 50mm. Challenge yourself by shooting with a prime, playing with composition, zooming with your feet, and really take yourself out of your comfort zone. And you're going to learn so many different compositional techniques. You're going to learn different ways to look at the scene, different angles, different framing, vertical, horizontal, by playing with that fixed focal length. So give that challenge a try. And last but not least, 50mm primes are sharp. That's one reason we all love prime lenses. That's not to say zoom lenses are bad by any means, but these lenses are very sharp. They are meant to do one thing, shoot at 50mm and make great photos. That's why they're great lenses. So have I convinced you yet? Let's check out some comparisons between a 24-70 f2.8 and this 50mm prime. Do some direct comparisons and we'll see what photos you like better. So personally, I like the 50mm prime, and you might be asking, what are the cons of a Nifty 50? Now, the only one I can really think of is that this lens is a little bit soft at that maximum aperture, and that's really the case with any lens, not just Nifty 50s, but you'll notice it more because of the extremely shallow depth of field, and that's really it for the downsides of the Nifty 50. So the 50mm prime is critical to any serious photographer's arsenal. I always have one in my camera bag, and I highly recommend it for beginners, especially those that are still learning composition, and it's not a half bad portrait lens. So I appreciate you guys joining me. Let me know which lens is your favorite down in the comments below. You ever shot with a 50mm? 50mm one of your favorites? Let me know down below in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, hit subscribe, and be sure to turn on your notifications so you're getting all of my videos. And until next time, get out and go shoot.